The latest coronavirus stimulus package will have to wait until late next month when Congress returns from recess. That's what sources told CNBC recently. This is the bad news we didn't want to hear. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Finance Kit. As always, my name is Dion, and this is your second stimulus check and stimulus package update for today. For those of you that are part of this community and you have already subscribed, welcome back and thank you very much. And if you're willing to help today, make sure to hit that like button and share the video, please. And if you haven't subscribed yet, well, please consider subscribing because I will bring you daily stimulus updates and other personal finance tips in the future. So here's the latest news. White House is pushing the coronavirus relief talks for another stimulus package and another stimulus check until late July. Yes, this is what sources are saying and what was announced by the CNBC. So, after all those positive statements in the recent weeks, we are yet again delayed, what it seems like. Both the White House and the Republicans are not planning to do any negotiations or outlining the next stimulus package until late July. This is when Congress will return from its long recess for the 4th of July. Yeah, you heard that right. The House of Representatives and the Senate will be back in Washington on July 21st. So let me ask you something. We're in a pandemic. The economy is struggling. The American people are struggling. Do you think the politicians should take a break? Wouldn't it be better if in a time of crisis they postponed their summer plans, reschedule those vacations, and get to work? I mean, now more than ever in recent history, Americans need their help. Don't you think? Let me know down in the comments, please. Also, hit that like button, share the video so we can show YouTube the value of our message. Now, July 21st is only 10 days before certain provisions from the CARES Act expire. One of those is the extra unemployment insurance and the extra $600 a week payments. So, in 10 days, from July 21st to July 31st, lawmakers will be able to negotiate and work out the details of extending those or let them expire and hopefully working on a next bill, but they can't do it now. This wait and see game is frustrating for a lot of people. I mean, if you received your first stimulus check, it is probably long spent on bills and necessities by now. If you have not, I truly hope you receive your stimulus check soon. But many people will get into worse financial situations between now and the end of July when lawmakers decide they will be ready to work again and figure things out with the next stimulus bill. Sometimes I can't go but wonder what goes through their minds and how they make those decisions, knowing that they're somewhat responsible for millions of Americans and their well-being. And don't get me wrong, no one, and I mean no one, should solely rely on the government. That is not what I'm saying. But in times like these, when there is a pandemic, we the people have no control over. The government has the power to help. We want to be careful at this point, seeing how much money is in the economy. A lot of the money is still not in it. This is exactly what Mnuchin said, testifying to the Senate Committee of Small Business. Well, sir, we've had almost 3 months to get those money into the economy. It doesn't seem to help. Would another stimulus check help? I believe so. It will not be a life-changing event for some, but it will be a lifesaver for many. This is at least what I think. And besides everything, I'm still on the optimistic side that we might get surprised with something earlier than late July. Hope dies last, whatever anyone else wants to tell me. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend. Stay positive, and I appreciate you watching this video. And as you know, I will continue to bring you daily stimulus updates and other personal finance tips in the future, working around the clock for you and sharing my content as soon as physically possible. Thank you if you have already subscribed to my channel. If not, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification. I don't know what you're waiting for. I hope this video was informative and provided some value to you. Like and share so more people can see it. Down in the description, you will see other helpful links. You do want to check those out for sure. Thank you for pushing your financial mindset towards a better reality. Until next time, stay positive, master your finances, and take a good care of yourself and those around you.